Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Lay the watch face down on a soft cloth and locate the tiny arrows on the bracelet. They tell you which way to push pins out. Use the bracelet block to support the link and align the pin pusher with the pin head. Press gently, no heavy force, because pins are small and bend if you hammer wrong. Once the first pin moves, back it out enough to grab with pliers. Make sure to keep removed parts organized. You'll now remove links, one pair at a time so the clasp stays centered. Measure fit by holding the bracelet around your wrist, mark how many links to remove, then support the bracelet in the block and push pins in arrow direction. Tap lightly until the pin protrudes, then pull it out and separate the link. Repeat on the opposite side to maintain balance. This prevents twisting and keeps watchwear comfort consistent. Once done, recheck. You're finishing by aligning the remaining bracelet holes and pushing the pin back through from the non-arrow side so collars seat properly. This compresses the link and secures it. Tap the pin flush and make sure the clasp opens and closes smoothly. If the bracelet catches, reopen and realign. Wear the watch and flex your wrist. If it feels tight, add a link back. Troubleshooting tip: if a pin won't seat, inspect for a bent pin or misaligned hole and correct before forcing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.